So I'm going to give you 5 ways to make money with Claude AI that no one is talking about. The difference between those that will make money with these 5 things and the ones that won't is action. Number 1, content sponsorship. Now, hear me out. I understand that not everyone is a content creator, but there's one thing that you have to understand about these AI startups. Right now, these AI startups are paying top dollar just for people to talk about their platforms. And it's crazy how they're actually finding people to do so. They're using AI agents to scan YouTube for any and everybody that is talking about AI products. Then those AI agents send an automated email to the content creator. The entire thing is automated and they don't really care about what the price is. They are willing to pay it just for people to talk about the product. They aren't even looking at the channel, nor are they even looking at your video. Now, here's the other thing with these AI startups. They all are using something called wrappers, meaning they're either using ChatGPT or they are using Claude that is wrapped in a different interface. So essentially you will get emails from these different startups and you're doing the same video over and over because the products are really the same with a different name. And this leads me to number 2, Claude Cowork. Companies are looking for people right now to implement Claude Cowork or train employees on how to use Claude Cowork. Now, they aren't looking for these people on Indeed. They're looking for these people and they are finding these people on social media. That's YouTube. It could be LinkedIn or Instagram. So if you put out videos and you can do it faceless, showing how you use and how you implement Claude Cowork, these companies will reach out to you. And the majority of them have a blank check. The reason why I know this is because a real estate company reached out to me and said, hey, we want you to train our agents on how to use Claude Cowork. Name your price. Now, number 3, working with businesses that want automation and expense reduction. I've done previous videos on this channel where I've shown people how you can replace QuickBooks and any other program like CRMs or whatever you're paying for, and how you can condense it and cut your expenses by up to 90%. A lot of businesses out there will be willing to pay for things like this. And I'll give you another example. In my real estate business, I've been using AI for 2 years. When someone calls me and when someone texts me, they think that they're talking to me, but it is actually artificial intelligence that is responding to them. Businesses will pay top dollar for that. Now, here's the thing. 99% of people either don't know how to use artificial intelligence or don't want to know how to use artificial intelligence. They will pay you to do so for them. And one of the reasons why this is so profitable is because there aren't that many people that know how to do it, and there aren't that many people that are actually doing it. And number 4, I'm pretty sure that you've seen this all over social media, and that is investing bots. Everyone all over social media is posting and looking for a bot that can invest for them, help them make investment decisions. And what you see on social media is one prompt investing bots. Let me be the first one to tell you that actually uses AI for these purposes. It does not work based off of one prompt. The reason being, it will just push Claude to go onto Google or investing.com to find the answers. If you're someone that is well versed in day trading, swing trading, or investing, and you know how to use Claude, then you know that Claude has to be programmed. You actually have to pour into Claude for it to make these decisions. Otherwise, it will pull things from Google. And because the average person will not do that, that makes your product that much more powerful and people will pay you top dollar to get access to it. Now, number 5, and this is something that the majority of you can do right now, just using Facebook, and that is helping the average person learn how to use AI. People really have no idea outside of how to open up ChatGPT or Claude, the free version, and ask, what's today's weather? Outside of that, people have no idea of how to build anything. And knowing what I know now, I would have paid somebody to teach me everything that I had to sit up all day and all night just to learn, that I am now implementing in my business and assisting others with. So if you found this helpful, make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, and keep it locked for the next video. Thanks for watching.